Guys, Jaden's back here for another video, and today we are back with our Minecraft Let's Play. Okay, so today I think we're actually gonna look for the animals from that we saw. Well, we didn't see any animals, but we're gonna go look for some animals for our barn. Yeah, I finished the barn. Kind of looks like Dusty Depot, like one of those things. Okay, so I got this over here. Oh, and I got more chickens. Can I grab that? And then upstairs is just... Oh, I still need cows and sheep. Dang, man. Upstairs, I'm pretty sure I'm going to either have the sheep here, or I'm just going to have like a full-on chest room up here. So, yeah. Okay. I think we're just going to use our boat and go to different islands. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Maybe we can find the sheep this way. I want to only go straight, so that way there's no troubles. Ooh, I've never seen this island before. It's better if I check on islands, cause where is there actually gonna be like sheep on in water and stuff? Really? The only thing I don't like about this road is just full on islands. I'd rather have, regular stuff. Oh snap! There's a not T cave. I'm gonna have to come back here. Oh, nice. Never saw this island before. But there don't seem to be any sheep, so... Actually, let me go back to my house, go to bed, and then I'm gonna come back. Oh, I already checked that ship right there. Right there. I think it was this way, my house. I think. Yeah. Really, I used the bamboo as like a beacon, so that way I know where to go. So yeah. Sorry if this just looks like a bigger version of my house. And there's already Johns coming after me. Oh man. I can't park the boat properly now. Actually, yeah, I can. Okay, come on, quickly. Creeper. Oh man, oh no. Dang it. I broke my boat. Okay. It's your lucky day, y'all. Read, please. Boop. Let's see if I can clubby one of you. Ah, yeah, boy. I want that XP though. Get away from the door! Okay, yes. Okay, sorry for yelling. Okay, okay, I'm gonna need to, I guess the island is a dud, so I need to go get a different island. Oh, the boat came back, I just realized. I'm gonna try to run over these fish. Okay, I'm just gonna go straight. I'm not gonna get like sidetracked by any islands. Well, I'm gonna go to an island, but like an island, I guess straight. Oh, that was the pig that I dropped off here. Don't ask any questions, please. Is that like a temple thing? I think it might be. Oh, another island. Oh, and there's a drum. Nice, dude. Oh, dolphins. Did I bring my bones? I brought my bone. If this don't work, please work. I got one try. Yes, it worked. I got a dog. Yeah, boy. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna bring you home. So, okay, come in here, please. Please come in. Thank you. Yeah, say bye to your friends. Yeah, say bye, Felicia. We got a dog. Let's go. And I already searched that, so don't say, oh, you missed the thing when I didn't. I guess we got an animal, but a different species. But this one's gonna stay in summer house. Yeah, look at that nice ocean. There it is. I'm gonna have to name you something. There it is, Chase. There it is. Admire my house. We got the dock, Chase. We got the house that you can live in. You can visit the barn animals. Let me park this boat properly. Man, I feel like the entirety of the episode is just gonna be me parking the boat. Oh, I can't even park it. That's right. I need to get you out of the boat. Don't drown. Don't drown. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, there we go. Now it talks to you every time you open something. That's kind of annoying. Okay. So meet that pig. Okay. Over here we got the barn. Okay, Chase? Once I get a name tag for you, I shall name you, okay? Yeah, and these pigs said hello. Yeah, boy. And then this is the farm over here. I shall show you my farm. Please respect all policies. Okay, there's the farm. That's it, really? Okay. And then, Chase, are you vegan or do you like pork? Because I'm vegan. I only eat that stuff. Okay, so. Oh, where's your lead? How dare you? Come with me now, mister. Oh, you opened your own door. Okay, you want to sleep on my bed? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, sit down. Don't worry, you'll visit the animals when I say so. Or whenever you want to. So, yeah. But you do get to spend time with other animals. Yeah, Chase, you're legendary. If you want, I can get more of your friends. You just gotta bark at me, okay? So I'm gonna wait for you to actually bark at me. So I know I can. Hey, Chase, do you mind looking at me? Thank you. Oh, actually, Chase, I'm gonna give you your own bed. Because you're that swaggered. Just stand up. Okay. You can get your own bed, Chase? Come on, come on. Good boy. Okay. Sit down now, child. Sit down and look at me while I sleep. I sound like Creeper Aw, man. Yeah, boys, I think everything's turning out nice. That's really, I guess at least we made one really big accomplishment. Getting Chase, my dog. I think I like his name too, Chase. That's kind of nice. Nice. Maybe I can. I want to do something besides getting a dog. I mean, getting a dog is awesome and all, but that's not really making progress. Yeah, boys, we made absolutely no progress today, so I guess that's pretty good. Really, I've been just jumping around on my island. Actually, you know what? Let's try to make a bridge. Oh man, that's kind of annoying, and that now it makes noises every time I open something. Large chest. Thank you, I know that. Actually, nah, let's not make that. I'll probably make it in another episode. I don't know. I don't know if I'm uploading tomorrow, guys, so if I don't upload, don't get mad. I already told you. So, yeah. Want food? Let me see what I got in my chest for you. Oh, I got you some mutton. Nah, actually, I'll just give you some chicken because I got lots of chicken. Look, you get a big chicken. Yeah, boy. Okay, I'm gonna have to give you food for my dog, so thank you. I need more food for my dog, so where's those other pigs that I always see? Okay, piggies. Oh, now they're not here. Okay. Oh, there you go. Yeah, thank you for being courtesy as my dog's food. Thank you. Oh, well, you broke my pickaxe. How do you feel? Oh my god, you take forever to die. Okay. Okay, I just wanted to end the episode there. I know it's a short episode, but yeah, boys. Peace out.